Today I'm going to show you how to make an increase. An increase consists of 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. So insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. That's the first single crochet. Now we're making one more in the same stitch. Insert hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through both loops. That's an increase. Please like and subscribe for more tips and free patterns.